Alright, so this is going to be Skinny Love by Bon Iver. I don't think that's how you pronounce it. My mic and my camera suck, so bear with me, but here we go. Oh, skinny love just laughing me. For a little song you never hear. Ma ma ma, ma ma ma, ma ma. Staring at the tank of blood and crushing you. Tell my love to rack it on and cut out all the ropes and let me fall. Ma ma ma, ma ma ma, ma ma. And at this moment, before it's all, and I told you to be patient, and I told you to be kind, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. And in the morning I'll be with you, but it will be a different kind. And I'll be holding all the tickets, and you'll be owning all the fun. I'm skinny love what happened here. Circle, I'm hoping I can hear. Ma ma ma, ma ma ma, ma ma. Some is a full place to go on the street. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. Now if all your love was wasted, then who the hell was I? And I'm breaking at the bridges, and at the end of all your lies. Who love you will find, will fall so far behind.